Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix failed to load online onlinefix64.dll error code 126. According to websites, here are 10 important solutions for this issue. Check the recycle bin. Sometimes the DLL file is accidentally deleted and sent to the recycle bin. Restore it from there if found. Search for the DLL file on your PC. If the file exists, make sure it's in the correct folder. If it's in the wrong location, move it to the proper directory. Use System Data Recovery. If the DLL file is deleted, use a data recovery tool like System Data Recovery to restore it. Disable antivirus temporarily. Sometimes antivirus software blocks or deletes the DLL file. Temporarily disable it to see if it fixes the issue. Reinstall the game or software. Corrupted program or game files can cause error code 126. Uninstall and reinstall the game or software. Configure Windows security settings. Windows Defender or security settings may block the DLL file. Check the settings and give the necessary permissions. Download the DLL file manually. If the file is missing, download it manually from the official website or a trusted source. Verify the integrity of game files. If using Steam or another platform, verify game files to automatically fix missing or corrupted files. Repair Microsoft Visual C++. Corrupted Visual C++ redistributables can also cause DLL errors. Repair them via Control Panel or reinstall them. Purchase the game. If you are using a pirated or cracked version, DLL errors often occur. Buy the official game to ensure all files are complete and safe. These are the 10 simple and effective ways to fix the failed to load online fix64.dll error code 126 issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.